Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to show you how to improve your um, assist hooks. This isn't my idea. This is what Shimano does. I just thought I should show you the easiest way to do it. Get one of these little, anytime you buy bread, you get these little metal thing that um, wrapping tool. I don't know what it's called. Get one of those, put it around it. It's always good to have one of these rings. If you have double, I don't know what to tell you. This is for single. You get one of these little shrink tube, and you want to get one of these little heat gun. It'll cost you like 15 bucks to get one of these on Amazon. So you just need to put it through your little tubing, and pretty simple, right? You could always cut the tubes in a way that works for you the best. I'll bring it down here just about to a level where the ring comes in, right here. It's a little bit long, but anyways, once you have that done, you just turn on your heater and you put it right there, and it should start shrinking. Woo-wee. Just like that. And you turn it off, and voila, you get a nice improved assist hook. A little toasty, because if you're fishing for something like bluefish, ribbon fish, or anything where there's sharp teeth, or a fish you may target or not target, I think this will definitely help. These assist hooks are not cheap. These tubings are very cheap. You can get one of these little set, Ginsko, for like $6. Full set, different ones. So yeah, this will definitely improve your fishing. It doesn't cost a lot. It's kind of fun to make different rigs too. I plan to not only use this for my jigging, metal jigs, but I plan to use these shrink wraps to improve my like a double loop rigs for fishing as well. Maybe a longer shrink wraps and things like that, but kind of cool tool. Go check them out, guys. If you need help finding it, let me know. But this one is called Seek One. I paid 15 bucks for this. Again, Ginsko. I paid like $6 on sale for this. The whole set. Various sizes. Doesn't matter what size you get. There might be even cheaper one. You could always cut it. These thick ones too. You saw it shrinks perfectly. Look at that. Awesome. So again, if you buy high-end Shimano slow pitch jigs, they'll come with something like this. Pretty cool. I need to figure out how to work it on these double hooks, jigging assist hooks, but I hope this helps. Very cool. I'll make a couple more videos with different type of rigs using these shrink tubes and this heat gun. Probably the best investment I got.